It happens in business. We are disappointed, but we will continue on. We will persevere.
New tonight, San Benito County's only hospital staring down an uncertain future. Good evening and welcome into KION News. At 11, we learned today that the deal between Hazel Hawkins and Inside Health has fallen through. The potential buyer, Inside Health, stepping away amid concerns around federal cuts to rural health providers. Otto Shaheen reports from Hollister.
I'm disappointed, of course.
Mary Casillas is the CEO of Hazel Hawkins Memorial Hospital in Hollister. When she took over in 2022, the hospital was in dire financial straits with only a day's worth of cash on hand.
We were able to do some financial restructuring and really take a look at our revenue and our expenses and make some alterations to put us in a better place.
She said things were looking further up with Inside Health poised to come on as a partner.
They were very excited to grow services in San Benito County, which we need desperately.
But that would cost money, and President Trump's so-called Big Beautiful Bill cuts more than $1 trillion from healthcare. $137 billion in cuts are expected to hit rural health providers like Hazel Hawkins. A Hollister mother said there's already a lot to be desired at her only regional hospital.
They're definitely mismanaged and not trained, definitely. And they're not a clean hospital.
I spoke with a lot of people who said they regularly drive to either Salinas or Gilroy when they need a hospital just to avoid Hazel Hawkins.
I took my boyfriend at the time all the way to Gilroy at 1 o'clock in the morning just because I knew instead of going there and sitting 7 hours in the ER, we got seen immediately, put in a room immediately, got the x-rays done when we were done in an hour and a half.
Casillas said her hospital had already cut some services in the past couple of years, and now the future is more uncertain, even as they continue to look for a new partner to replace Insight.
We'll just have to do a reassessment and see what the best thing is for the district and rural health care. It's very early in the projections of what these cuts, we know they're starting in October. But it's projected in about 2 years to really see the cuts start to come.
Medi-Cal coverage is among the most impacted by the federal cuts, which means the hospital could find itself in a financial hole when they treat people who can't pay.
Mary Casillas said she has meetings lined up in the next few days with several other rural hospitals in California so that they can share stories and talk about best practices for how to make it through the upcoming years with the federal cuts. She did want to stress, however, that there's no chance Hazel Hawkins will close. Reporting in Hollister, Otto Shaheen, KION News, Channel 46.